Have you ever done a brilliant workout, maybe a HIIT session or some squats, and then woken up the next day feeling like you can barely walk down the stairs? We've all been there, haven't we? That stiff, achy feeling in your legs, arms, or tummy is something we call delayed onset muscle soreness, or DOMS for short. It's that classic day after the workout ache that makes you groan when you get out of a chair. It's a completely normal part of getting fitter and stronger, so don't you worry. It's your body's way of telling you that you've challenged yourself, and that is absolutely fantastic. You've put in the work, and your body is responding. So why does it happen? It's not because you've done something wrong or injured yourself. Think of it more like a sign of progress, a little badge of honor from your workout. When we exercise, especially when we do something new or a bit more intense than usual, we are asking our muscles to do some serious work. Imagine you're doing lunges for the first time in ages. Your leg muscles are stretching and contracting in a way they're not used to. This new movement puts a bit of healthy stress on them, and that's the starting point for this whole process. It's the beginning of a brilliant transformation. This soreness doesn't usually pop up straight away, does it? You might finish your workout feeling amazing and full of energy, only for the aches to creep in a day or even 2 days later. That's why it's called delayed soreness. It's a sign that your body has started a very important job behind the scenes. It's like your body's own little construction crew has clocked in and is getting ready to build you stronger muscles. So when you feel that ache, give yourself a little pat on the back. You've pushed your body to adapt, and that's how we get fitter, healthier, and stronger together. It's important to remember that everyone experiences this, from complete beginners to professional athletes. It doesn't matter if you're doing your first ever PE with Joe or training for a marathon. When you push your limits, your muscles will let you know. The key is to listen to your body, but not to be put off by the soreness. It's a temporary feeling on the journey to becoming a fitter, happier, and more energetic version of yourself. It's a sign that you're on the right track, and that's something to be really proud of. So let's embrace it and learn a bit more about what's going on. Right then, let's get into the science of it, but don't worry, we'll keep it super simple. Imagine your muscles are made up of millions of tiny, tiny little fibers, all bundled together like strands of rope. When you do an exercise like lifting a weight or doing a press-up, these fibers have to work really hard. They stretch and contract to create the movement. When you challenge them with a tough workout, you're putting these tiny fibers under a bit of strain. This is especially true when you do exercises that involve lengthening the muscle under load, like when you lower yourself down slowly in a squat. This strain causes microscopic tears in those muscle fibers. Now, don't panic. The word tear sounds a bit scary, but these are not injuries. They are incredibly small. So small you'd need a microscope to see them. Think of it like this. If you're building a wall and want to make it stronger, you might have to chip away some of the old, weaker parts first, before you can add new, stronger bricks. That's exactly what your body is doing. These tiny micro tears are the signal that tells your body it's time to get to work and build things back up even stronger than they were before. Once these tiny tears occur, your body's amazing immune system springs into action. It's like a little emergency response team rushing to the scene. This response involves a bit of inflammation, which is why the muscles might feel a bit tender, swollen, and sore to the touch. This inflammation is a crucial part of the healing process. It's the body cleaning up the area and getting it ready for repair. It's a sign that your body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's a natural and very clever process that happens every time we challenge our muscles. So that achy feeling is basically the result of these tiny tears and the inflammation that follows as your body starts its repair job. It's the feeling of your body getting ready to rebuild. It's not a sign of damage, but a sign of adaptation and growth. Every time you feel that soreness, you can smile and know that your body is busy making you stronger, leaner, and more powerful. It's an incredible process, and it's all happening inside you, all because you decided to move your body and do something brilliant for your health. Keep going. You're doing great. Now for the best bit, the repair job. This is where the real magic happens and how we actually get stronger. After your body has created those tiny micro tears and the cleanup crew has done its job, the construction team arrives. Your body starts to repair those little tears in the muscle fibers. But here's the clever part. It doesn't just patch them up to how they were before. It rebuilds them to be thicker, tougher, and more resilient. It overcompensates, making the muscle fibers stronger so they can handle that same level of exercise more easily next time. This rebuilding process is what leads to muscle growth and increased strength. Your body is basically saying, right, that last workout was tough. I need to prepare myself so it's not so hard next time. It's an amazing survival mechanism that we can use to our advantage to get fitter and stronger. This is why consistency is so important in exercise. Each time you work out and recover, your muscles become a little bit stronger. Over weeks and months, these tiny improvements add up to a huge transformation in your strength and fitness levels. It's a brilliant cycle of work, recovery, and growth. To do this amazing repair work, your body needs the right building blocks. The most important building blocks for muscle repair are protein. That's why it's so important to eat a good, balanced diet with enough protein, especially after a workout. Think of protein as the bricks and cement your body's construction crew needs to rebuild that muscle wall stronger. Foods like chicken, fish, eggs, lentils, and beans are all fantastic sources of protein that will help your body recover and get the best results from all your hard work. Fueling your body properly is just as important as the workout itself. So, when you're feeling sore, remember that it's a positive sign that this incredible rebuilding process is underway. Your muscles are literally growing stronger. The soreness is the temporary price for a long-term gain in strength and fitness. It's a signal that you've pushed your body out of its comfort zone and triggered a positive change. The next time you do that same workout, it will likely feel a little bit easier, and you might not be quite as sore afterwards. That's proof that the process is working and you're getting fitter. Well done, you. Okay, so we know that muscle soreness is a good thing, but let's be honest, sometimes it can be really uncomfortable. The good news is there are plenty of simple things you can do to help ease the aches and help your body recover. One of the best things you can do is to keep moving, gently. It might be the last thing you feel like doing, but some light activity, like a walk, a gentle swim, or some stretching, can really help. This is called active recovery, and it helps increase blood flow to the sore muscles, which can speed up the healing process and reduce stiffness. Another brilliant tip is to have a nice warm bath. The warmth can help to relax your muscles and soothe the aches. You could even add some Epsom salts, which can help to reduce inflammation and ease tenderness. Also, make sure you're drinking plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for every function in your body, including muscle repair. Water helps to flush out waste products and transport nutrients to your muscle cells, so keep that water bottle topped up throughout the day. It's such a simple thing to do, but it makes a massive difference to how you feel. Don't forget the power of a good night's sleep. This is when your body does most of its best repair work. When you're sleeping, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for rebuilding and repairing your muscles. Aiming for a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep a night will give your body the time it needs to recover properly, so you can come back to your next workout feeling refreshed and stronger. Sleep is your secret weapon for recovery, so make sure you're getting enough of it. It's non-negotiable for a healthy body and mind. Finally, remember to listen to your body. If you're really sore, it might be a good idea to rest that muscle group for a day or two and work on a different part of your body instead. The soreness will go away. It's a normal and healthy part of your fitness journey, a sign that you are challenging yourself and getting stronger every single day. So embrace the ache, fuel your body with good food, get plenty of rest, and get ready to smash your next workout. You've got this.